Thermal steel sliding door filing cabinet, made of high-quality covered steel planks with a stable structure, equipped with a glass sliding door and key lock. Smooth sliding door design, multi-layer adjustable shades to meet various storage needs. Suitable for offices, hospitals, schools, and other scenes.